Yo, what's going on, guys? I just pulled up to the Skatepark of Tampa. I haven't been here in like, I don't know, 15, 20 years, something like that. I have such incredible memories with this place. I came for Tampa Am and Tampa Pro. One time, just hopping someone random that was driving down here's car. Yeah, I just needed a ride down here, and now he's a friend of mine, Dustin. I skate with him, but at the time I didn't know him and just hopped in. And the next time, went with a bunch of friends, and we just barged it in this car that was falling apart, and yeah, I don't know, just so many incredible memories. I made my friend quit his job to go on the trip. We showed up early in the morning and blocked him in his driveway until he got into the car. And yeah, I mean, and then just being here for the weekend of all the contests going on, you know, it's just such an unforgettable experience. And yeah, being back here now, it's all starting to come back. You know, it's kind of a blur, but as I'm like driving through these streets, like some of it's coming back, so it's cool to experience. But yeah, psyched to skate the park again. It's been a long time. Let's go check it out. Just realizing now I really need to switch my board.
How's it going, sir?
How's it going?
Good, well, how can we help you?
What's up?
Checking in to skate?
Yeah.
I can get you over on this side. First and last name, please.
Caruso, C-A-R-U-S-O.
And your first name?
Chad?
There you go.
Thank you.
Got you on my +1.
What's that mean?
For free.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm DJ.
Nice to meet you, Chad. How's it
Chad,
going?
nice to meet you.
Nice. Thanks.
Change the battery on this one.
Appreciate it.
This one's got a fresh battery too if you want.
My bolts are stripped, so I think I was doomed from the start. But
Okay, well we
thank
have,
you.
if you want some spare bolts, you're welcome to anything in our
Thank you.
spare container.
It's kind of tight right now, so I'll be right. Thank you.
For sure.
Hey. What's up? Round two.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
All right.
All right.
You ever been here before?
Not since this was all built.
Yeah, wow.
I came, maybe 15, 20 years ago.
Wow, okay.
Nice. When'd you get here?
I just skated yesterday,
Nice.
and then just today I just got here like 20 minutes ago.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's some cliffs.
Right? No, I wish. I feel like all my good tricks I already did it at
The other
Jacksonville.
day?
Like, yeah, the river dance is like, I'm a one-trick
That's
pony.
your go-to.
You know? I know, dude. I was trying it over on the little tiny quarter. I was getting so close, but as soon as I got my truck up,
Yeah.
I just can't commit to rolling that wheel back over.
Today's the day. People think
Yeah, I know, right?
it's a must.
No, I'll definitely have to try it. Yeah, I'll give it
People time.
a couple tries.
Let's see.
I just need to lean it back over. That was one of my best attempts. Because I can usually I'll get it, and I'll like get here. I'll like be on the coping, and I'll be fine, and I'll go right back in. But as soon as I go over the coping, I just feel like I'm locked.
Yeah.
What's up?
Now, once you have that confidence of like totally weight on it, it
Yeah.
comes in by itself.
Yeah.
You're not gonna hang up.
Got you. Yeah, I didn't get it.
That's close though.
I know, I can do that all the time. I think I got it there.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Just like rock fakie.
Yeah, really, it is. This one's real. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a couple tries.
Okay. Alright, I think you got it.
Oh.
You got it.
Yeah, so long.
Wow.
Dude, I appreciate that trip you did.
Cross America? Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Taking a break from filming.
Can I get a trick of you?
Ah, me?
Yeah, come on.
If you want,
Please.
I'll do a layback.
Okay. I would love that.
Thanks.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back and slow-mo that footage and try to learn from it.
Okay. What it started out as was just a regular gray slide,
Okay.
like Jim Gray. So 5-0, nose grab to tail layback.
Okay.
I messed my shoulder. I've got a torn rotator cuff. And so reaching out like this and then being extended like this feels not so good. So I started grabbing the slab, and then my legs get all bent over the top, and I was like, oh, I don't see a lot of people doing it that way. So
Did you not know that you were gonna be able to tweak it like that? It kind of evolved as you were grabbing it.
yeah, so I thought I was going to be more like this on top of it,
Yeah.
like front neck. But I didn't realize that my back foot was going to start rolling over.
Looks great.
Thanks. I watched Chad's post from yesterday in Orlando. His knees are feeling crunchy.
That's, yeah.
Those
They are. And I just said it to him when I
brick
walked
bank,
out. Yeah.
Where that brick quarter
Yeah.
is gnarly. It's on my to-do list, but
It's fun. It's tough, though.
Yeah.
You got, what size wheels you got? Nice, soft.
60
big ones.
millimeter ADA. I ride it real soft wheel.
That'll make it way more fun.
Apparently, it's the longest continuous sidewalk.
I'm sorry, I know y'all are Instagram guys. What's up?
All right, that's it for me today. My knee's definitely feeling it from street skating yesterday, but such a fun session today. Met a bunch of cool people, ran into some old friends, guys from the Skatepark of Tampa, super cool. We're talking about potentially screening the dock here, so keep an eye out for that. I usually post like that info in the description of the videos or on my Instagram. So yeah, super fun session, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.